Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Remove the iOS 14 and iPadOS 14 beta software profile. Once the profile is deleted, your iOS device will no longer receive iOS public betas. When the next commercial version of iOS is released, you can install it from Software Update.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
This article explains how to go back to the latest publicly released version of iOS if you installed a version of iOS beta and no longer want it. Here's what to do. Go to Settings General, and tap Profiles and Device Management. Tap the iOS beta software profile. Tap Remove Profile, then restart your device.
Take our lead.
The new features of iOS 14 will not be available until autumn, around the time that the iPhone 12 is released. However, you can gain early access to iOS 14 by joining the Apple Beta Software program. And that is why Apple strongly recommend that no one installs Beta iOS on their main iPhone.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.